In the corporate world, data is everywhere, but I realized that data without a story is often ignored. I had to give a critical presentation about employee wellness and hydration. Instead of starting with boring statistics, I planned my talk with a strong emotional hook. I walked onto the stage, looked at my colleagues, and asked, "Who here feels like a wilting plant by 3 p.m.?" The laughter and nodding heads told me I had their attention. I kept my slides very simple, using a visual aid of a clear water bottle with time markers to make our goals tangible. But the real challenge was my own anxiety. Before stepping into the spotlight, I spent 5 minutes practicing deep, rhythmic breathing to settle my nerves and lower my heart rate. By speaking slowly and sharing my own struggles with fatigue, I built a genuine connection. My personal story transformed a routine HR update into a company-wide movement for better health.